In this video, we'll show you how top-down MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry can be used to confirm the primary sequence of biopharmaceuticals. Using the Bruker UltraFlex-Stream MALDI-TOF with a 2 kHz smart beam laser, we will analyze the 25 kilodalton Fc domain of cetuximab. Protein mixed with the MALDI matrix solution is deposited on the sample plate in a nominated position. A typical sample amount is 50 picomoles. As the solvent evaporates, super DHB matrix crystals containing the protein form around the rim of the sample position on the Bruker anchor chip plate. The anchor chip plate with the dried samples is then introduced into the MALDI-TOF mass spectrometer. After selecting the relevant method file, acquisition can begin. The precise definition of the spot geometry allows fast and reliable acquisition of spectra from around the crystal rim. Spectra acquisition only takes a few seconds. The data is then processed using the predefined method. Biopharma QC software automatically produces a QC report, which fully describes the results from the analysis of the top-down mass spectrum. This report can also be printed. From a user-generated library of antibody sequences, the correct sequence is retrieved. In our example, this is the cetuximab Fc chain in its truncated glycoform after IgG0 digestion with absence of N and C terminal modifications. The C-terminal glycine is confirmed as the C-terminal amino acid as expected from the cetuximab library sequence. The second page of the report shows the MALDI TDS spectrum and the protein sequence, both with matching fragments assigned. The A and C ions confirm the N-terminal sequence readout in the spectrum. The Y and Z+2 ions confirm the C-terminal sequence. This allows the confirmation of N-terminal modifications, such as pyroglutamylation of antibody heavy chains, or the truncation of the C-terminal lysine residue, as it is the case here. The glycosylation site is easily recognizable in both the annotated spectrum and the sequence. MALDI top-down sequencing is a fully automated procedure. From acquisition to printed out report takes 1 minute. MALDI top-down sequencing has revolutionized protein sequence and PTM verification. It provides a rapid and inexpensive method to confirm the primary sequence of biopharmaceuticals ready for submission to regulatory authorities.